two different people. One people, one Petra is shy, one Petra is very blah.
Now and then you're gonna put the verb next.
Tak to se tu bavíme.
Když neznám lidi, tak jsem strašně baka, ale jakmile je poznám, tak to se pěkně rozkoukám a to pak vidí. No, ten je, it's no fair, you speak Czech. Yes.
Nazdraví?
Hey, you remember, good job. Na zdraví.
Na zdravíčko. Cheers. Evičko.
Petričko.
Pavliničko. Yes.
Like when I was the first time in England, I was like, oh, the family was like, Pavlina, it's like long. Don't parents call you like some other way? Yeah, Pavlinko. Peťo.
Whatever works out, right?
Yeah.
Mate.
How do you feel today?
What?
How do you feel today?
I feel pretty good.
Pretty good?
Very good.
Lots of nice girls around me, so I'm so happy.